Hey, my man of God is Dr. Joe Martin here with Real Men Connect. I got a question to ask you. Have you ever heard the saying, happy wife, happy life? Happy wife, happy life. Well, whoever told you that lied to you. Ouch. Now, we know Ephesians 5:25 tells us that as husbands, we are to love our wives as Christ loved the church and gave himself up for her. But how do you give yourself up for your wife when spiritually you're not on the same page because you're not physically sleeping in the same bed? How do you love your wife when she's being unlovable? How do you love your wife when you have a hard time understanding your wife? How do you give yourself up for your wife when you feel like you've given everything you've had to give and there's nothing left for you to give? How do you give yourself up for your wife when she's threatening separation or divorce? If only marriage came with an instruction manual, right? But it doesn't. But you know what? But if you're like me, you need more than just an instruction manual. You know what you need? You need a marriage survival kit. That's right. And that's exactly what we've created. We've created a marriage survival kit for Christian men to address some of the most challenging things that you're dealing with in your marriage that church normally doesn't address. Like keeping your promises to your wife to change. You know what I'm talking about. I'm going to change, but not even maintaining that change. What about keeping your promises to your wife to change and then maintaining that change? We address that. We show you how to get your marriage off life support. Get it off life support. We teach you how to survive and thrive even in a marriage without sex in the marriage. How to survive and thrive in a sexless marriage. How to communicate like Christ with your wife even when you're angry. How to actually read your wife's mind, well, so to speak. How to read your wife's mind and live with her in an understanding way, like we're commanded to do in 1 Peter 3:7, and much, much more. See, what we've put together in this marriage survival kit for Christian men is based on reality, not theory. From lessons learned from over 650 men that I've interviewed and talked to who've been through divorce, separation, and even success in their marriage. So why try to figure this thing out on your own when you can follow a proven biblical and practical blueprint that could potentially save, revive, and even restore your marriage and making it stronger than it's ever been and ever before since you got married. So your marriage can get back to what God intended it to be. Not happy wife, happy life, but holy life, happy marriage. Holy marriage, happy life. So all you gotta do is just click the button below to get your marriage survival kit for men right now today. So stay blessed, stay strong, stay encouraged, stay connected because real men do connect. But most importantly, stay in God's grip. And I'll talk to you soon.